Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today's vlog will be a very fun day, very productive day. We are going to be decorating for Christmas. Really excited. I'm currently at Target and I just left Dunkin' Donuts. This is my drink. I got the iced chai latte with the cookie butter and also almond milk. So let's do a little taste test. Wow, that's good. It's also really sweet. Also, happy Wicked Week! I'm so excited. I'm seeing the movie later, but y'all, I'm so excited for the movie. The musical theater kidding me is like screaming right now, but yeah, very, very excited. So if you guys don't know, last year I bought my condo. So last year was my first year of being in my home for the first time. So when it came to the holidays, I went all out because obviously it's my first time having my own place to myself and just like having that experience was really, really good. So I ended up spending so much money on so many things last year because obviously I was starting from scratch. Definitely check out my homeowner diaries if you have not. So I pretty much just went all out when it came to just buying my tree, buying everything that I needed during that time. This year I'm like taking things easy and I'm not buying too much stuff because obviously I got everything that I needed to do last year. So this year I'm just decided to just really buy little things here and there, like candles, some like trinkets here and there, just like small things. So I'm glad that I can take my time this year and just like feel relaxed and not feel crazy buying so many Christmas stuff because like again I bought majority of my things last year. So yeah, I'm at Target. I have to get a couple of things, mostly just like products for like hygiene and whatnot. I do want to go to Bath and Body Works. I have some coupons to get maybe like 2 candles. I want to go to Marshall's, maybe TJ Maxx, and just all the fun decor places and whatnot. So yeah, very excited to take you guys along with me for today's vlog. I'm still trying to be careful because I can say, oh, I'm only gonna spend money on small things and then end up getting a million small things and then my cart is like $1,000. Like, let me just add little touches here, but let me not overdo it. Now let's do a quick haul. First thing first will be Target bag. I got this really cute pillow with Christmas trees on it that I'm gonna put on my bed, but this is how it looks. Next, I got just some cookies to bake there tonight. It's just the Pillsbury Christmas tree cookie dough, but this is how it looks. Next from Target, I got just some body wash. I used the Dove's Peony and Rose Oil scent. And then I got this limited edition cranberry crumble scent. This is gonna be my go-to Christmas just like Febreze scent for the season. That's how it looks. And then I also got just some plugins. This is the warm apple cinnamon scent. I just got 2 of them, but there's that. I got some hooks that I need to use for my stockings, which I'll show you guys later when I set up my Christmas decorations, but got some command hooks. I got this really cute decor. It actually lights up. I think I need to put batteries in it. Let me see. Oh, there you go. See, it actually lights up. You can kind of see inside, but I think it's so cute. And that is it for Target. Next, we're going to do TJ Maxx. And I only got one thing. I just got this like hand soap dispenser, which is like a peppermint shape, but that was so cute. This is gonna go in my guest bathroom. So yeah, it was only like $3 or $4 or whatnot, but I just think it's so cute. Next we have Walmart, and I only got one thing from Walmart, which is this wreath that I'm gonna hang on my door. Everywhere that I looked, like Home Goods, Target, TJ Maxx, they're really expensive, but I only got this for like I think $13, $14. So I think it's really cute. It has like these little pine cones in it. I love it. Last but not least, I got some things from Bath and Body Works. I got this candle. This is the Perfect Christmas. And honestly, I mostly got it because of how it looks. Like, I just thought it was really cute. It smells good as well too. It kind of smells like, I think it's called sweater weather, I believe. That's what it kind of reminds me of. This is Christmas candle number 1. And then I got a second candle, which is just smaller than the first one. I think I get this every single year because I think it smells so good. But I got the sugar snickerdoodle. It just smells so good, just like Christmas morning with the smell of cookies. I just think it smells so good, so heavenly. The last thing that I got from Bath & Body Works, which was free, was their Vanilla Bean Noel lotion. I don't really use Bath & Body Works like lotions or perfumes that much, or at least anymore, but it was free, so I was like, hey, I'll get it. But it smells similar to my EOS Vanilla Cashmere. So yeah, this will be like my Christmas, I guess, scent of the month. But yeah, that is it for my haul. I'm gonna go ahead and start decorating for Christmas. I already have my box, which is out in my living room. But yeah, I'm really excited. And I'll actually show you guys that really quick. So here's my box of my decorations from last year. And then here's my tree. I actually have to move this like beanbag over into my office to make room for my Christmas tree. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that first. But you guys, I'm actually kind of sad for all my fall decor to go away, but it's Christmas time. So I'm gonna go ahead and start decorating. I'm going to listen to an audiobook. I'm gonna finish Wicked off, hopefully while I'm decorating. So that should be in the next like hour or so. Yeah, let's go ahead and start decorating. Bobo, come here. It's so cute. Bobo. There you go, Bobo. You look so handsome. Come here. You guys look at him. He's so cute. Oh, he's so cute. Look, come here. Let everyone see you. Oh, you're so cute, Bobo. Look at you. Yeah? Cute. Okay, look at my picture and then you're free to go. Go by the tree. Pose for mommy. Over there. There you go. There you go. Good kitty. Okay. Smile. Not me like being one of those moms. Okay, ready? Smile. Stay. No. There you go. It's as good as it's gonna get. I don't want to take it off, but I know he doesn't like it, so I'll take it off. I'm actually getting ready to leave to go see Wicked. I'm really excited. I didn't get to finish the book because I'm on like the last chapter. I'm like the last maybe 5 pages left over, so technically I'm finished, but not really. Very, very excited. You're free now, Bobo. Go be free. He's like, I'm done with this. I'm gonna go see Wicked, and hopefully later tonight I'll come back and make some cookies. I'll see you guys post movie.
Popular, you're gonna be popular. I'll teach you the
Okay, so post movie update. I'm not okay. I'm still just like speechless from watching that movie. You guys, Wicked, it was so good. Like I was really boohoo crying in that theater. Left with my souvenir cup that I got from the movie. But you guys, like the cast, like Cynthia, oh my gosh, she's so talented. And I'm already a big Ariana Grande fan. Like if you know me, like she's one of my favorite artists. Just seeing the movie and seeing her in it, like I completely forgot that she was Ariana Grande. So like it makes me appreciate her even more. That makes sense. But y'all, it was so good. I have no words. I just literally have no words. But yeah, I am back home. I'm just gonna shower, recuperate, gather my thoughts, and just have a cozy rest of my night and bake my cookies, drink some tea, and all that jazz.